My name is Deb Crislip-Baker, and I am the Department Chair for the EDUC 1300 Learning Frameworks course at Victoria College. If you have any questions about this course, please reach out to your instructor via the Canvas inbox or at the contact information listed on your syllabus, or to me at deborah.crislip-baker@victoriacollege.edu, or by phone at 361-573-3291, extension 3327. To begin, you should always explore all of your classes in Canvas as soon as possible. Each instructor sets up his or her course a little bit differently, so it's important to learn where everything is and how to find it. It is also a good idea to watch any course navigation videos if they are available. For EDUC 1300, all instructors use the same assignments and structure, so this course navigation video works for all sections. The only difference is that online students may have slightly different assignments since they don't meet face-to-face. To begin, this is what you should see if you log into Canvas on a computer or through a browser on your tablet or phone. If you use the Canvas app, your view may be different and some functionality may be lost or changed. It's important to know two things about Canvas and technology. One is that Canvas works only with Firefox, Chrome, and Safari browsers in that order, so do not use Internet Explorer or Edge. Secondly, we do not recommend taking online classes with only a cell phone. If you are in an online class, you should have regular and reliable access to a computer. There are computers in labs and the library on campus that you may use. For our course, we have the home page as the main landing page. The course is designed to show the 3 most recent announcements at the top of the page. I don't have any announcements yet, but if I did, they would appear here. Next, you want to check your syllabus page. You should find your course syllabus here, and you can view, download, or print your syllabus if you need to do so. You can also find the addendum to the course syllabus here with the contact information of various resources and services across campus. After the syllabus links, you will see a course summary. This lists all of your published assignments with the due date and time. You could click on the assignment from here, but we do not recommend this method. Another, better way to locate all of your assignments is via the calendar in the blue global navigation menu. On the right, you will see your color-coded classes. You can click each course to toggle it on or off, depending on if you want to see all of your assignments or just the assignments for one class. As you can see, this view places the assignment on the day it is due. If you place your cursor over the assignment, the due date time appears. If you click the assignment, the directions appear. To go to the actual assignment so you can submit your work, you need to click the assignment title. However, once again, we do not recommend using the calendar to access your assignments. If you do, you may be missing valuable instruction that you need prior to completing your assignment. For example, in this class, you will have teamwork assignments that you will begin 2 weeks prior to the due date. If you only use the calendar, you will miss the instructions to begin working on the assignments in time to actually get them done. We recommend using the calendar as it was intended, as a planning tool. See when the assignment is due and work backwards and plan when you will do the assignment. You can even add tasks for yourself to complete in the calendar. To add a task or event, click the date You can choose an event like a meeting or workshop or a to-do task. Add the details and click Submit. For our class, we prefer you to use modules. Here you will find the resources like the testing center information, the textbook chapters, and the weekly to-do list and assignments. As the semester progresses and more modules are added, you may wish to close modules that you no longer need. You can toggle them on and off at any time. For each week, you will have a to-do page for the week. Each week includes a list of items for you to read, watch, or do, preferably in the order listed. There may also be notes pertaining to pertinent information like when school is closed for holidays. All of the items on the to-do weekly list will be found in modules under the week or in the course guide module. For example, the introduction discussion post and the information sheet are in the week 1 module, and the course guide chapters are in the course guide. To complete discussions, read the directions and click Reply. Type your professional, high-quality response and click Post Reply. After posting, you may read the posts of other students and reply to their posts by clicking Reply on their post. To submit assignments, click the assignment, read the directions carefully. When you are ready, click Submit Assignment. An assignment box opens. If you are required to upload a file, browse for your file, double-click it, and you will see it show up beside the Browse button. Then click Submit Assignment. In some cases, you may also see a text box. When this happens, type your response into the text box and click Submit Assignment. This is one area in which the Canvas app works differently and why it is not recommended for submitting assignments. Once you have submitted an assignment, it will show up in the upper right-hand corner with the file submitted, a date, and a time. It is a good idea to check the file you submitted to make sure it is the correct document. If it isn't, the Submit Assignment button should now say Resubmit Assignment. You can click it and attach the correct file. It is also a good idea to take a screenshot of the assignment, the file submitted, and the date and time in case something happens and your instructor doesn't get your assignment. The screenshot proves you submitted the assignment and helps the help desk discover what happened to it. All assignments in this course will be in Microsoft Word or Adobe PDF. You can download a free PDF reader for those documents. If you do not have Microsoft Word, you can Google Free Student Microsoft Office and use your VC email address to receive a free version of Microsoft Online. If you need help with this, contact the help desk. You can find the help desk information by clicking Help in the blue Global Navigation menu and then VC Computer Help Desk. If you use Pages, you will need to export your file in PDF and attach the PDF version of your assignment. If you use Google Docs, you can either export it as a PDF or you can link your Google Drive to Canvas. To do this, click Account in the blue Global Navigation menu, click Settings, scroll down to Other Services, and click Google Drive and authorize Google Drive access. Now when you click Submit Assignment, you will see a Google Drive tab next to the File Upload tab. Click that tab and find your Google document and submit assignment. I hope you have found this video helpful. If you have, click like and subscribe. Just kidding! If you have any questions, please let your instructor or me know.